everyone, what's up back to my channel? I'm Divashiinee. Today I'm going to show you the Rubik's Cube key brand 3x3 Rubik's Cube and the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's start from the smallest, the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This cube is from Edward, but the designer is Yukong Wu. So yeah, let's show. Okay. So this cube is very smooth, guys. So yeah, let's try to turn this and I'm gonna give it a roll. So let's solve this. Oh, that's gonna move properly. Just want to trick you guys, but I don't know really. So let's go. Let's solve this. So I've solved this cube and I will say it's good. It's very good. It's so small. I love this thing. So because compared to the 2x3 Rubik's Cube and the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, it's so small. So small. So now let's go to the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Here is the 3x3 cube. So let's open this. Okay, let's show that too. So this cube is bigger than this cube. So yeah, this is nice. And I'm gonna show you another one. So this and this is more bigger than this one. So this is small, like good for big people. For the adults, this is the one. But for children, this is the one. So yeah, what's this? Okay. Yeah, yes. So this is also nice. I really love these cubes. Make sure you go and buy it. I'll put down in the description, guys. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, like, share, post on notification so you'll be notified in just 3 seconds. So bye, guys. Thank you.